guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm showing you my design team kit from Cheaply Chic called the Cherish collection. This is for February and I just love this. So beautiful. I'll have both links down below for Cheaply Chic's YouTube channel as well as her Etsy shop. If you don't know about Cheaply Chic, she has a kit that comes out monthly. It's a junk journal kit. It includes a junk journal and then an ephemera pack of goodies that goes along with it. Each month she writes a nice little letter, and it just usually talks about how she came up with the collection and just her thoughts and everything for that month. And then it has a beautiful artwork on the front page that goes along with the collection. And if you have not seen my videos from the past 2 months, I always use this some way in the journal. Every little bit that she sends with the package you can use in a junk journal. And so what I usually do is do an unboxing video, and then I'll do a couple more videos on how I decorate the pages with the kit and do embellishments and things like that. So for this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the collection, and then you can go check it out if you'd like. Or if you just like to watch these kind of videos of people unboxing fun goodies, then you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. So pretty. So it is wrapped up in this pretty red tissue paper with a little bit of washi tape. And I am excited to see this. I saw a couple of her videos of the book in like her sneak peeks, but I love this. It's so gorgeous. So she has a felt doily up the top, and then this beautiful flower rose or fabric rose, and this little pin that has a pearl trim piece and an embroidery piece, and then some fabric back behind there, and then a ruffled fabric down here with the collection name Cherish, and it's wrapped up with the seam binding. And I'll quickly show you the inside here. These are always very plain because she wants you to be able to use this kit to embellish the book. And these are great for people that are first-time junk journalers, and it's just wonderful. I love how she puts these together. So she sewed everything onto the cover, and then she includes coffee or tea stained papers throughout. Here's some pink paper. This is some vintage ledger paper. Notebook or pink little notepad paper. This is some really cute lined paper with the hearts at the top. Some graph paper, another doily. Here is the page with her signature. I think this is her signature dyeing technique with the hearts. I've tried doing this and haven't yet gotten it. But I love this. It's so pretty. There's another side to that there. And then that is all of the pages, and then everything else is the other half of those pages. So that is so beautiful. I love that. And then here is a little heart bag. This is so cute. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, these are neat. So these are, there's some little heart, glitter hearts, a claim check, and some little clothing tags, a doily, and then some heart stickers. Those are really pretty. a little love note sticky sheet on top of a while you were out sheet. And then another little heart, felt heart piece, a guest check, and then there's a little tiny envelope here, or a little tiny glassine bag that has some tickets and some heart punches. Really cute. So everything in here you can use down to the bags to make little pockets on pages or little whatever you want to use them for, little tuck spots. So that's what's in there. Oh, I love this. I'm already loving it like that. So let's open this up here and I'll show you what's in the ephemera pack. Lots of fun goodness. Get it open here. All right. So here's a little baggie of rhinestones and sequins. A vintage playing card with roses. That's pretty cool. A little glassine bag. There's some a cupcake pick, claim check, Happy Valentine's Day sticker. That's pretty cool. A bunch of little die cuts, little flag die cuts, heart die cuts, more little size tags or price tags. A heart, a couple wood heart pieces, some flowers, and these little punches. Those are pretty cool. Sorry, I have a cough. Just kind of came on there. Trying to pause it in between, but if I sound funny, that's why. Little paper clip there. Kind of stick those back in. There we go. And then there is another little glassine bag with more paper clips in there. And then this little baggie has some twine and fibers and yarns. So pretty. This has the little charm bookmark that goes with the books. She always has that in there as well. And then these are little cut-aparts of some vintage Valentines. Really cute, from the paper collection. I don't remember what paper collection this is. But if you watch her unboxing, I'm sure she tells you in there. So I love that. A couple doilies. Another bag of goodness. So I'm going to pull this out here. Here is another one of the cards. Oh, that is so adorable. I love that. This is a real Valentine, authentic vintage Valentine. That's oh, so cute. It kind of looks like velvet, but it's not. That's so cute. A gold heart, a little glassine envelope, a library card, and the pocket that goes with it. This is a cash envelope. That's pretty neat. A CD little case or little envelope. A couple tags. A stamp tag. That's pretty neat. This is a garment tag and another craft tag. Guest check, a vintage playing card, a flash card, and a long tag from the collection, and then some tickets. So that's what was in that bag. Here is a pink doily, and then a couple pieces of the paper collection. A heart napkin, that's pretty cool. And then this is a vintage dictionary page, a piece of heart wallpaper. And then this is a vintage, this looks like an Ideals book page, Valentine, and a vintage music sheet. That's kind of cool. Let it come back to me. And then this is a recipe page on chocolate cheese pockets. Wow, that sounds amazing. I'm not sure about the pears, but it might be good. I don't know. So yeah, that is that collection, the Cherish collection from Chic. So if you are interested in this, go ahead and follow the links down below for that. I will also try and include the other members that are on her design team. They are lots of lovely crafty ladies, and you can go ahead and check out what they are doing with their collections as well as check out what Lynette does at Chic with her book. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.